Let's have a look at the chart for VFR flights in Bad Vöslau. It's uncontrolled, but there is a radio mandatory zone, RMZ, from ground up to 3000 feet. That means you have to establish radio contact before entering the RMZ. You can see the RMZ outlined here with a dashed line. In case of a comm failure, you have to remain outside, but there is a phone number you can call. Once you've established radio contact, you'll find out which runway is in use. There are two parallel runways in direction 13 and 31. The longer concrete runway is 13 right or 31 left. Pay attention on the radio because it's easy to confuse 13 with 31. There are three different traffic patterns in the RMZ. The shortest one is Hotel, which is only used for helicopters. Traffic pattern Charlie is the small one north of the runways, and traffic pattern Delta is the bigger one south of the runways. Let's have a closer look. Traffic pattern Charlie is a right pattern when runway 31 is in use, and a left pattern when runway 13 is in use. It should be flown in 1500 feet MSL. Traffic pattern Delta should be flown in 2500 feet MSL, and when runway 31 is in use, we fly via Alpha, Kilo, Whiskey, Tango, Sierra, Echo, and then between the towns to Bravo. When runway 13 is in use, however, we don't overfly Echo, but instead proceed from Bravo between the towns to Sierra, Tango, Whiskey, Kilo, and Alpha. To enter or exit the RMZ, you have to use one of the reporting points on its boundary. X-ray and Golf lead you into traffic pattern Charlie, but X-ray is only used for arrivals and Golf is only used for departures, as indicated by the arrows on the chart. Reporting points Sierra, Lima, and Tango can be used for both arrival and departure, but flying along the Autobahn via Lima is only used for marginal weather conditions. Reporting point Uniform is special because it depends on the runway direction. If runway 13 is in use, Uniform can only be used for arrivals, and if runway 31 is in use, Uniform can only be used for departures. All reporting points are compulsory, except Alpha and Bravo after departure. Make sure to review these procedures before takeoff to avoid conflict with other aircraft, and have a nice flight.